Make sure to follow my Instagram at Marspeed_official, where I'll answer all your questions and DMs. Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at how to clean and re-oil your engine air filter or cold air intake air filter. This will work for the reusable filters that are oil-based. The main one that most people use is the K&N brand, and that's what I'll be cleaning. I bought my K&N cold air intake used, so it was pretty dirty to begin with, and K&N says you can go 50 to 100,000 miles before cleaning these, but I think that's a bit of a stretch, and you should just check them once in a while and clean them whenever you see that they're dirty. So to clean, I'm going to be using the K&N filter cleaning kit, which is definitely the easiest way in my opinion to clean these filters. The kit costs $12.99, and you can be sure that it's safe and cleaning the filter properly. It comes with the Power Clean air filter cleaner, as well as the air filter oil, and I've found that these kits will last around 2 to 4 times to clean, depending on how much of the stuff you use when you clean it. So it's a pretty good deal for $12.99. Alright, so let's get on to step 1, which is the cleaning. So you're going to take the air filter cleaner and put it onto the filter, and just allow it to soak for 10 minutes to loosen up the dirt. But make sure you don't allow the cleaner to actually dry. Now for step 2, you're going to rinse off the cleaner and all the dirt that it took off. I soaked it into this bucket of clean water first, and then ran some low pressure water from the tap from the inside out. It's important to run the water out through the clean side and not back in through the clean side. The reason is that you don't want to blast water against the filter because it can push the dirt back into the filter and embed it deeper. Also, high pressure water can damage the cotton filter, leaving big gaps in the element. And that's going to let in some particles, meaning that the filter will not do its job as well as it should be. So again, just run the water out through the clean side and then use cooler water, so not hot water. Step 3 is to make sure you let the air filter dry before you apply the oil, and this one's pretty simple, just make sure to let it fully dry. Finally, you'll want to re-oil the filter. I've got the air filter aerosol spray can, so for this one you just want to spray the oil evenly along the crown of each pleat, and make sure to hold the can about 3 inches away. And let the oil wick in there for about 20 minutes, and make sure to keep spraying until there's a uniform red color across the whole filter, so you don't want any light spots. You also don't want to overspray, because then the extra oil might drip around the engine bay, or possibly even into your engine. And if there's oil pooling up inside the air filter base of these Kona air filters, then that's definitely too much, and you should try to take some out of there with a paper towel or something else like that. And that's it. So for $12.99 and with 4 easy steps, you now have re-cleaned your air filter, and it's good to go once again. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Mopar and car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.